So, this is my game. It's called Block Hop. This is the menu screen. So we have a play button and a quit button. So press play, and it takes you to level 1. So you have move left and right with the arrow keys, jump with the up arrow. If you jump off the side, you respawn. If you jump into the lava, you respawn as well. So let's move through this level. Also, at any point throughout the game, you can press escape, and it will return you to the main menu. So we'll just start that again. And this wee yellow thing here is the goal at the end of each level. Once we touch that, it should bring us to level 2. So now we're in level 2. In level 2, you have these wee cubes down here that have a bounce material on them that the player has to use to navigate the level. Here we've got this spinning game object that's on a rotor that the player has to use to sort of propel themselves upwards. Okay. Last obstacle on this level. Again, we've got the goal at the end. It takes you to level 3. In level 3, we have an added double jump here, and some new spikes that will also respawn the player. And again, for the last time, we've got our goal here. You touch that, it'll bring you to the end screen, and that's you won the game. And same as always, you can press escape, it'll return you to the main menu, or you can quit the game. So that is it. So now we can have a look at the script in my game. So I have 3 scripts, the first being this pretty simple menu controller. So we have our first function here called start game. This is just when the play button is pressed on the main menu, it'll load level 1. And then this other function called close game, that will quit the application. And I've also got a debug log because it won't actually quit in Unity Editor. So this is just to check that it will actually work. Then we have our main script, which is the character controller. So we have a list of variables here. I'll just go through them as they come up. So first of all, we've got number of jumps equals number of jumps value. This just resets the number of jumps at the start of each level to make sure you have the right amount. So this code here just checks the current scene that you're on. So this is saying if you're on level 3, it'll increase the number of jumps, of like extra jumps you can do in the air to 1. So this is when you get your double jump on level 3. If you're on any other level, then you only get the 1 jump. This code down here just provides like a shortcut so you can change the rigid body without having to write get component every time. Then we have our fixed update. This just checks if the player is grounded or not, if you're able to jump. This code here is the movement of the player. So yeah, so that just sets up the move input. here just sets the move input to be the speed at which you've set in Unity, which is here, yeah. So I've set the speed to 5. Down here, this is to check which way the player is facing, and if they're facing right or left. If they start moving, then it will activate the flip function, which is down here. And this just checks to see if the player is facing right, then pretty much it'll just flip the player to be facing whichever way they're moving. So we'll go back up here. Got our update function. So this just checks if the player is grounded, then it will reset the number of jumps to make sure they can jump again after they're back on the ground. Here, this just checks if the player is pressing up and they still have more than 0 jumps left, then it will add to the jump force, so the player will jump, and then it minuses 1 from the, and then it takes away 1 from the number of jumps that the player has left, so they can't just infinitely jump in the air. Then, if the player is trying to jump and their number of jumps equals 0, but they're also grounded, then this again allows them to jump once again. Again, here we have our if statement for if the player presses escape, and that'll just load the menu back up. This is just a reference to a video that I used to help me with this. So this is the function for this is the function for my kill zone. So if the player falls off the map or into the lava, it'll just reload the current scene here. So I've just set up an empty game object at like the bottom of the level with the tag kill zone, and that'll just run that. Again, all these are just for the goal at the end of each level, so they've all got a separate tag, so it'll just take you to the next level once you reach that. So yeah, so that's my character controller script. The last one is just this very simple one to restart the game once you're on the end screen, because there's no, the player isn't in that screen, so this script won't be in that either. So this is just attached to a game object in that, so you can still get to the main menu. Okay. I think that is me, and that's my game. Thanks for watching.